Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is orange PPC108 amplification micro terror from Orange, made in England. And this is one of the great sound system comes with built-in PC system. Because of this is 14 years old, internal hard drive is now working. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the internal hard drive, which is 3.5 inch SATA one. Okay, by the way, I got 1 TB 3.5 inch SATA hard drive. To perform this replacement, we need to have a couple of tools. One of them hexagon key, another one Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and then we'll open it and I'm going to show you how to do that. Once we replace the hard drive, then we're going to install Windows system on it. So this video would cover up the hard drive replacement plus how to enable the USB boot and reinstall Windows in there. So first of all, we're going to open this hexagon screw, 2 of them, which is at the front. And then from the back, we're going to take out another 2 Phillips screws, which is right at the back, as you can see. Keep those organized. Now we're going to put it upright. And we're not going to pull this sound system out because this one attached with 2 big cable to the main speaker. So if you pull this out, you're going to damage the actual speaker cable. So just a little bit pull it, not all the way out, like this. I'm going to change the video angle just to show you how I done it. Alright, so as you can see, this is the actual internal hard drive, which is secured with 4 screws, all of them Phillips, and there is a cable, so I don't want to pull this out and desolder the cable connector and solder it back. This is quite hassle. Instead, I have done it like this. So I disconnect the power cable and the SATA data cable, and now I'm going to take out 4 screws. All of them same in size, so don't worry about organizing. So the hard drive installation done. Because of this is brand new hard drive, there is no any Windows system. So let's install Windows now. It's pretty simple. We're going to install the Windows in Legacy, not in UEFI, because this is quite old system. And I'm going to install Windows 10 home version 1 in there. Okay, so let me connect all the cable and make sure you do have one of the bootable USB Windows 10 installer thumb drive. And once you have the correct one, we can do that. You don't need any command because of this is completely blank hard drive. So the BIOS system would recognize it and it will try to find a second boot option, which is USB. So we don't need to change any settings from the BIOS. So finally, the Windows installation has done. It seems much more faster than before. Before it used to take so long to turn up. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you do have any question regarding this model, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.